स्टार्ट केले.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Vishakha Pandey.
गुड आफ्टरनून. आय एम रुशाली सडेदार.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topic that how plastic is affecting our environment. So nowadays, if we look around, so we saw many things that are made up of plastic, from a small pin to a larger machine parts. Everything is just made up of plastic. So plastic is somewhere affecting our environment, and it is worsening our environment. It has a really bad effect in our nature. So we are discussing today on this topic. So what do you think that how the plastics are affecting our environment? Can you tell me some points, Roshali?
As daily life, plastic is morely used. Plastic is used to carry the vegetables, and bottle is also made up in store in water. Bottle is also made up in plastic. Container is also made up in plastic. Container is used to store the foods, and
Yes.
cable wire is also cable wire coating is also plastic.
So in our day-to-day life, the things we are using in our daily routine, somewhere the things are made up of plastic. So plastic plays a really very important role in our life, like from the cup of tea, coffee to the drinking straws, all are made up of plastic. So, but what happened that people just are using plastic and thrown away on the roadside area. So what happened that the animals just ate the plastic, and they become ill by eating the plastics. So it is not only affecting the environment but also our living beings. The plastics are really affecting. So what do you think that about it?
Many animals are eating and dying by plastic
Yeah.
covers. Plastic is a negative impact of human beings and environments.
Yes.
Plastic is a non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means is it is not completely destroyed.
Yeah, it takes a longer time to decompose. So the environmental damage is long lasting due to the usage of plastic, right?
Yes.
Generally, what we are doing that we are burning the plastic. So from this also the environment is affecting.
Yes. Yes.
By what that by burning the plastic, it releases the toxic fumes that
Yes.
really affect our environment, and the air which are spreading through burning the plastic is really very dangerous to animals, plants, human beings. So it also leads to global warming.
Yes.
So it is really harmful. um, what do you think?
Plastic burning to produce toxic gases, and do you having more pollutions, air
Yeah,
pollution.
it leads to air pollution.
Yes.
um, Also it leads to water pollution because every year millions of plastic found in the oceans, rivers.
Yes.
As we as we went in the beaches, we
Yes.
saw tons of garbage in the corner of seas, overseas. So, and in that garbage, we saw mostly the plastic. So our marine life is also in danger just because of plastic, because the fish which lives in the ocean or
Yes.
river or lakes. The fishes ate the plastic and they got ill. They are dying in a numerous quantity. So it is harming our nature.
Yes. Yes.
And government has banned this the usage of plastic, but in some areas people are still using plastic, right?
Yes. To avoid the plastic shoppings, are going to shopping, then using cloth bags to carry the
Yeah.
vegetable, using cloth black bags.
Yeah. We should use the cloth bag wherever we are stepping outside our house.
Yes.
So we should always keep the cloth bag. If we go to the vegetable vendors or in the supermarket area, so avoid the use of plastic. Just this is what we can do to prevent the use of plastic. I know that it's become difficult to totally ban the plastic because somewhere it is useful in our day-to-day life, but now the condition is that due to the plastic environmental damage is increasing, so we need to take preventive measures about it, right?
Yes.
Okay, then uh, we should
Stop.
stop the use of plastic, I think so,
Yes.
as much
Yes.
as possible to save the environment, to live the healthy life, to
Yes.
because the environment, as the environment is healthy, then the human being, plants will be healthy.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So environment, because environment plays a really crucial role in human beings
Beans.
life, not only in humans life, in plants, animals, the environment is playing a crucial role. So
Living animals are eating also plastic.
yes, and this leads to a lots of diseases.
Yes.
And what happened generally that in rainy season, we saw that in the plastics, the water just stored in it, and it forms a lots of mosquitoes, and through that mosquito, the diseases are producing like dengue,
Yes. Yes.
malaria,
Yes.
and this is really very harmful for our health because due to dengue, as we saw that just because of dengue, a lot of people are dying.
Yes.
So, and dengue is not a normal disease; it is really harmful disease.
Yes.
So, and if we ban the use of plastic, so the rainwater will not store in the plastics, and the percentage of mosquitoes will be reduced, I think. So there are a lot of benefits of not using the plastic. So for the healthy environment, we should take some preventive measures. And each of the citizen, if each of the citizen decided to not use the plastic, then it
Yes.
may be
Plastic is
beneficial.
totally banned. Then to reduce.
Mm. So I think so for today the discussion is enough about
Yes.
the plastic, how it is affecting on the environment. So, okay, now we have to stop it.
Oh,
So
thank
thank
you.
you.